Try it again, Zachy.
Just make a harmonic.
Yeah, that works.
Just use that. You can make it like glitch in or something.
Add some weird effects to it.
Where are we putting it?
At the beginning, it's that
I don't
space
even know
that
what to
Giovanni
do
was talking
here.
about.
What do you want him to do, Cameron?
That.
That's too
Just
low.
do a harmonic. And just have it come in and like glitch the harmonic out or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. Hit it? Yes. Just hold it.
Okay.
Fucking
Zachy!
Are you filming?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. How long has it been on this song now?
Too
Just with
long.
lead and rhythm, it's been like
I haven't even done